Now we can say a win is a win. I think they out-hustled us, they outplayed us, they out-coached us. Coaching staff on the other side was better than me today. So that's first and foremost. I think it's going to be a mortal sin if something loses. But hindi kami nagkulang sa maalala because in the dugout, that's the first thing we told them. We reminded them that Tierra Firma came down from 20 points down in the fourth quarter against two teams, NLEX and Converge. Yeah, so it's not new. Sad na lang para sa mga Tierra Firma, pangatlong talo na nila by 2 points that they had a chance to win. They were up and we had got two steals. At the end of the day, it was yung depensa pala namin sa dulo. Kahit na tinignan mo ang gagaling sa offense nitong mga to eh. King, Perez, Trollano, Jeric. But at the end of the day, it was the defense that made us got us a win tonight. Here, GK.
Thank you, Coach Peter. We are now opening the floor.
Coach, congratulations. Ano ulit, kumusta si Coach Leo?
He was there yesterday in practice, tapos I thought he was going to come. So he actually was the one who prepared for today. But again, I got a call and said that I have to steer the team for today's game.
Hindi pa si Coach, hindi pa clear to coach?
Hindi ko sure eh. Hindi ko sure kung clear to coach siya. Pero active naman siya. Kahapon, active siya. Siya nagpatakbo ng practice. Usually, for the last week kasi tumutulong ako. Yesterday, it was here. Today is not here.
Coach, what was it like seeing yung last minute with Waki keeping them the lead and yun nga, yung turnaround in your favor?
Yeah. Kagaya nga sinabi ko, we were a really good offensive team, but defense going for us in the last minute. These guys stepped up defensively. George King got a layup, which was so hard. The whole night he was having a hard time getting a layup. Pero tonight it was the defense. By the way, we're happy for Wami. I'm so happy for Wami. The best thing happened for me in terms of Wami. Siyempre, ayaw ko matalo. Pero gusto ko talagang maganda lang sana ni Wami. It happened tonight, 11 out of 20. I think 20 shots, baka isang buong series na para kay 7-game series na kay Wami, 20 shots sa kanya, nakukuha niya sa isang laro.
George, congratulations. When Tierra Firma was leading by 3, you made some turnovers and you were the one who scored those crucial baskets to take the lead. Just describe the turnaround the last 48 somewhat seconds.
And we were fortunate there. Honestly, at that point in the game could have gone either way. You know what I mean? It could have easily been Tierra Firma right here before we got today. So we were fortunate. Luckily, our coach said our defense in that moment it turned up and allowed for all to come out of that double team loosely, and I was able to make a play. But I think if you look at what led to us being in that situation, I would say the last 8 minutes or so. First off, we have to credit Tierra Firma. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but Juan Miguel with the free.
Wami, Miguel.
Yeah. He showed me a lot tonight. Obviously, strings is strings, right? But Juan was great for this tonight. And he hurt us late. But I think that we need moments like this as a team. Obviously, with me being a new addition, we're still finding our groove. We're still trying to find our chemistry. And luckily, we have a long season ahead of us. But in order for us to build chemistry, to build team character, we have to go through games like this. And like I said, it could have gone either way. Luckily, it was in our favor tonight. But for me, the biggest thing is that we have something to look at and learn from. And so it's not about what happens to you, it's about how you respond. And so we have an opportunity before us here in the next game to respond to what we've learned tonight And so that's what the challenge is for us moving forward.
Coach Junmar returned but limited minutes. Plano talaga yung na konti lang minutes na.
Oh, hindi pa siya, he practiced one practice yesterday. Zulmar practiced once and he didn't even complete it, so it was like kumbaga kay Zulmar, just try to take it slowly, get into the flow of things. You know, obviously it will be much better offensive and even defensive team with Zulmar to do whatever we want regarding that matchup problem. So we'll have 2 matchup problems already, one with our import, another one with Zulmar, so hopefully we can take advantage of that.
Coach, you said you need this kind of games. How are you going to use this experience going to the big game against Converge? They're unbeaten and right now,
Film, break down the film. I hope that, obviously our coaches will, but I hope that our players are watching it and ensure that we will watch it as a team. And we pick out clips and moments where we weren't as good as we should be. And it's just for the stuff that's, honestly, I think is controllable. And so, obviously, this game is sporadic, a lot of things can happen, but if we can control the things that are in our control, it sets us up for a success moving forward. So, to answer your question,
That concludes our post-game press conference tonight. We thank you, Coach Peter Martin and our best player, Coach Steve.
thank you.
Thank you.